I'm going to share with you guys how I made this cucumber stew. Trust me, you are going to fall in love with this recipe. So watch to the end and also help me to share. So I am starting by adding coconut oil on the pot. You can use whichever oil you have, but don't use palm oil, okay? I added onions and I also added red bell pepper. And then I'm just going to give it a stir. Next, I'm going to go in with Delica tomato. Fruit tomato is really expensive in the market these days. Try this cucumber stew. You will forget about fruit tomatoes, honestly. So I'll just stir it and then I'll cover it to steam for about 15 minutes. So I have here cucumber with me. I'm just going to chop it into smaller sizes, just the way my blender can blend it, because I'm not going to be adding water on it. So once I'm done chopping it, I'm going to transfer it into the blender, cover it and blend it very smooth. So if you can't blend it without water, just add like little drop of water on it. Remember, you don't want your stew to be too light. So next, I'm just going to check the stew, stir it a little bit, and then cover it to cook again for another 15 minutes. You know, say we like to fry tomato. So then, next, I am going to be adding my seasoning on it. Always use your own seasoning, okay? I went in with pepper, my spices, crayfish, and then I'll give it a stir. And then this time, I'm just going to allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. You know, we like to fry our tomato very dry. Next, I went in with the cucumber I grinded. I was not filming when I added it on the pot. I almost end the video, but I said we move. So I added the cucumber on it, and then I'm going to give it a stir. Next, I'm going to be adding the meat water I used in parboiling the meat into the stew. And then I'll give it a stir, cover it to steam for about 20 minutes. Now tell me, does this recipe look like something you would love to try? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, after 15 minutes, this is how it looks. I'm just going to give it a stir. Lastly, I'll go in with my diced meat. So whenever I'm making stew, I love to dice my meat into smaller sizes like this. So if I'm eating my rice, 1 spoon of rice with 1 meat on it. So I cover it to cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how it looks. This stew is one of the best you will ever try. Try it, come back in the comment section and leave your comment on it. You will not regret it, guys. Just take a look at this stew. So I'm not going to end this video without testing this rice in front of you guys. It really came out nice. If you love to try new things, try this recipe. You are going to love it. It tastes like fresh tomato stew and it has a flavor of cucumber on it. It tastes amazing, guys. Try this, you will not regret it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section and also help me to share. All right, guys, see you on my next one. Bye.